I'm Kyle, and this is the Guided Field Sharpener. The Guided Field Sharpener is a full-service sharpener ideal for sharpening on the go, whether you're in the field, the boat, the shop, or just sitting at your desk. The Guided Field Sharpener is a simple, no-nonsense design, but it's packed with features, starting with the instructions, which are stored inside. The Guided Field Sharpener uses coarse 220 grit and fine 600 grit diamond abrasives. It has a ceramic rod with a coarse, fine, and fishhook setting. Rotate the red knob to access each. A small ceramic rod for serrations, and a leather strap preloaded with green compound. Angle guides are incorporated at each step, and it also has a broadhead wrench. To sharpen with the Guided Field Sharpener, start on the 220 grit or fine 600 grit, depending on how dull your knife is. Rest your knife on the angle guide and maintain that angle as you draw across the stone. Stick to one side to start, making 10 to 15 passes, then repeat on the other side. Move on to the ceramic. Now we're going to alternate sides, about 5 to 10 passes. Finish up stropping on the leather in a reverse motion, about 5 to 10 strokes. Now you should be razor sharp. The diamond abrasive can be cleaned using a stiff wire brush, and for the ceramic you can use soapy water or an eraser. The diamond abrasives can be replaced. Replacements are available from Worksharp. All Worksharp products are backed by a 3-year warranty and our world-class customer service.